Here we go then, part 3 of this box of tat. I haven't looked in here since the last video. I don't want to know what's coming out of there until you see it. First of all, let's have a recap on some of the things I've found. This little funnel. Now, I said that was a dragon. I thought it was a dragon's eyes up there, but obviously it's a woman. Now, what is this? I've had loads of comments on this. Some saying it's to fill a hip flask. You pour your whiskey in there. Someone said it's for gunpowder. You put your gunpowder in there to fill up the old musket, but I don't think it's that. Someone even said it was a hearing device, a hearing aid. But it's actually a perfume bottle filler. I've borrowed this from Sue, a little perfume bottle. You can open that, there we go. So you put your funnel in there, and then you fill it with your perfume. Alright, I'm not going to put this in because it's not perfume, it's aftershave. What does this smell of? Brute 33. Anyway, that is a perfume filler. If you go and put into Google vintage perfume funnel, you'll see loads of these come up. This I said was an England flag, but Glenn tells me it's the ensign of St Patrick. It's the wrong way round for an England flag. England would be like that. Now these are dormitory badges. Kids used to stay on the ship, the SS Navassa, and that was the dormitory they would stay in. And I said Munster Station. Obviously not Munster. Yeah, muster. And this little purse is 80% silver. See there on the ring it says 800, which means 80% silver. And I've been told if I was to sell that, I'll probably get my money back for the whole lot. I paid £26 plus £8 delivery for everything. Let's carry on with this box. Let's get the packaging out of the way and grab something. Right. Oh, what we got here? Oh, thimbles. So look at this first. Is that a thimble? It is. What are they? Hummingbirds? Could be. So that's Hexagon Studios, Staffordshire, made in England. Okay, that's that one. Let's have a look at this one. Irish shamrocks on there. Let me read any information. Baleam Island. What's this? Oh, it's a little shamrock as well. Could be either a little snuff spoon or a mustard spoon, something like that. What have we got here? Well, that could be quite old, couldn't it? Probably just made of pewter or something like that. And this one just says bone china, made in Britain. Right, let's put them thimbles over there, grab something else. What's this? Just a bookmark, is it? Seville and Spain. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Anybody recognise her? I feel like I recognise her, but probably not. Right, alright, we got here big old ashtray, snake around there. Don't think that's very old though. Oh, another hip flask, no lid. It says Manfred there. PSL, Sheffield, England. Could be silver plated, but I don't think that's as old as it looks. No. And the next. Another little box. No, it's not. It's a tape measure. Look at that. Wants to focus on the lady, doesn't it? Come on, focus on this. There we go. Not been used much. Oh, little tape measure. Nice little clock there. That is very heavy. Kundo quartz. So it will be battery powered, not clockwork. Yeah, pull. Right. Got a battery in it. Yeah, I quite like that. What's this? Oh, that's the what the thimbles came in, isn't it? Let's put that up there. Right, let's grab something else. Lots of stuff that's wrapped now in the box. What have we got here? Looks like pens. Oh, oops. Lots of pens. Quite a selection there. It's a little ornate one. Let's have a look at that. It's quite nice, isn't it? I think that's a retractable lead pencil. Don't think there's anything in there though. Can't make it work. Another one. It's difficult to tell whether they're old or not. Oh no, look, that's just a ballpoint, that one. That's not been opened. So £5. What have we got here? That feels like it's empty. Oh, it's not. Oh, the pen set there. It's not been used. I'll put all those down there. I'll have to test all those sometime. Right, and the next. It's another little wrapped thing. Oh my god. What's that? Rabbit's foot? Run, rabbit, run. Real mink. Ah. Oh, it's a mink's feet. That's awful. That's horrible. What does it say? Lawrence Fur Models, 417 Lord Street, Southport. Oh, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Right, put that down there. I'm going to wash my hands now. Right, that's better. Let's move that up out of the way. Had a safety pin on it. Someone was actually wearing that. Who would do that? Right. Right, what we got here then? Ah, loads of little jewellery boxes or pill boxes. Yeah, I've just looked in all those. There's nothing in them. I don't think they're that old. Just pill boxes, jewellery boxes, ring boxes, something like that. And there's this little necklace in there, or just a little trinket from the Netherlands. Windmills of Holland. Someone obviously got that when they went there. Alright, up there. What else we got? What's this? Ah, 2 more hooks for fitting to Airfix, Kitmaster, wagons and bogies, etc. I found one in the last video. I said that was quite rare to see it still on the packaging, and there's 2 on this one. Couple more maps there. Hearts and Bucks and Surrey. Cloth, 5 shillings, it says in the corner there. Yeah, it's cloth. Very thick mesh type thing. There it is. And the date, 1966. And look, there's Wembley Stadium. If you look really closely, you can just see England winning the World Cup. What would you call that? Hessian? I'll put those up there and grab the next thing. Oh, look at that. Philips mobile phone. Look, oh, look at that. Even the aerial works. Right, anybody know anything about Philips mobile phones? Oh, a bit of corrosion going on down there. This is a bit of a chunky device. I might be able to watch Northeast Coins on there. I've tried to open it, but it won't come apart. I think it's probably corroded up with a battery in there, so I'm not going to force it. I'll see what I can do with that at a later date. Put that down there and grab the next thing. Oh, I can see what that is, look. Oops. What you call them, little desk calendars, I suppose. I think everybody had these at one time or another. What's it say on there? Registered design. Made in Hong Kong. What a surprise. So, where are we? Does it work? February? Wednesday today, isn't it? No, it's not. It's Thursday. Alexa, what day is it today?
It's Thursday, the 20th of February.
20th. There we go. Thank you very much. Bit broken off on the side there, but oh, that's a nice little thing, that. I used to have one of those. Don't know where it is now. Oh, let's put that over there. Grab something else. Oh, there's a little loose thing. Milano. That's Milan, Italy. Oh, that is definitely an England flag. A little souvenir. I don't think there's anything. Is that an owl? It's like an owl's face on there. Looks quite old. Milan. Actually, that could be the flag of Milan, not England. Getting a bit cluttered down here now. Let's put that down there. Get rid of that. Next. Looks like another map. Amsterdam this time. Map of Amsterdam. And Haarlem. Dutch map. 1962, this one. Probably went on holiday to the Netherlands, and that's when they bought that, maybe the same time. Let's put that over there. And next. Must be getting to the bottom of the box soon. What is that? Oh, nice, all falling to bits. Some little spoons of some sort. Let's say anything on the back. EPNS again, electroplated nickel silver. Ornate little bead. It looks like a coffee bean. I don't know what you'd use them for. It does look quite old. Well, the box looks old anyway. Oh, that's another thing. Put that there, getting a bit cluttered now. Oh, that's lifted the camera up a bit. What's this? Oh, it's them pens, isn't it? Yeah. Right, what else we got? Sugar spoon, Silver Jubilee, and boxes falling to bits. 1977, so that's the Queen's Silver Jubilee. That's not that good, is it, that? HM and GO Sheffield. Put that there. Right, another map. What's this? A New Forest and District. Price 2 and 6. 12.5 new pence. There's no date on the actual map, but because it's got the price in pre-decimal and decimal, I would deduce this was around 1970. Right, down there. And what else we got? Oh, it's a bell. Got a nice ring to it. I can't see any markings anywhere at all, so I think that's just a fireplace ornament, isn't it? Probably not that very old, really. Right, next. It's a little box. What's it say on there? JW Cartwright and Son. Oh, we've got all sorts in here. There's another small pen. A little, what I suspect is a mustard spoon. And it says on the back, Duraluster Firth Stay Bright. There's a little wallet or pouch. Ooh, is there going to be anything in there? No, I don't think so. No, that's empty. Another little sugar spoon or something. And we've got another little compass. I don't know where that works. Oh yeah, it does. Older than the other one I found. There's another Girl Guides badge. Still in the packaging. Now, what's this? Coronation, King George VI and Queen Elizabeth, 1937. Well, it looks like King George VI. It doesn't look like Elizabeth, does it? It should have been Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. Does look quite old though, so it could be from 1937. A small magnifying glass there. Oh yeah, it comes apart like that. It's quite old, I should think. That's a little comb. Hair decoration. And this. Which are obviously real diamonds. Perhaps not. No, just a brooch, isn't it? Broken. Alright, put them all back in there. If you're watching the video this far and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for me. It's absolutely free. And click the like button too. Right, let me show you what's in the box. That's all that's left. It's like 3 bits that are wrapped up, so we'll have a look at those. Alright, that's the first thing. Where did I drop that? Oh, looks like cigarette cases, doesn't it? Yeah, a little cigarette case. Nice and thin, probably for your roll-ups. What's that? FSW, is that? Just stainless steel, I think, that one. I got another one here. It's a bit bigger. That says WR on there. Can't see any other markings on it. I think, again, that's just stainless steel. Oh, that just pushes in, doesn't it? Yeah. I think that's all it is. What's this? Ah, it's a little manicure set. I think I might need that. All falling to bits though, don't think that's very old. Even more scissors. Someone says there's an alarming amount of scissors. Well, there's 2 more there. What we got here? Just a little glass pot. Could be an ashtray. Oh, it might be too deep for an ashtray. Let's put it over there and grab the last thing. It looks like the last thing. What's this? Oh, it's more of those ceramic bricks. That's what that is. In the hand. Yeah. Ceramic tiles. Oh, what they were for, I don't know. And that's it. Just the packaging now. Nothing else lurking in there, is there? Oh, what's this? And that is definitely a letter opener. Didn't say anything on there. The gold rill. Look at that lot. I was hoping the lid of that was going to be in the bottom, but sadly it wasn't. That's everything. I've just managed to get it on the table there. Best thing, I think it's the silver purse. I think that's the best thing I've found. And the worst thing has got to be the minx feet. I don't know what I'm going to do with that lot. Probably not sell it. I'll probably end up giving it away in a future video. So stay tuned, you never know. Well, there we are. I enjoyed looking through that box of stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos. What's the time? It's just gone 2 PM. So I want to get this video uploaded today. So I'll go and get it rendered. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.